Did you know that people with weakened immune systems face a higher risk of developing skin cancer from a common type of human papillomavirus, HPV, found on the skin? Researchers at the National Institutes of Health, NIH, have made a groundbreaking discovery that sheds new light on this issue. They found that a specific type of skin HPV, known as Beta-HPV, can directly cause a type of skin cancer called cutaneous squamous cell carcinoma, cSCC, when the immune system isn't functioning properly. This finding challenges the previous belief that HPV merely contributed to the accumulation of DNA damage caused by sunlight. This revelation could significantly impact how we treat cSCC, especially in individuals with compromised immune systems. It suggests that targeting the immune system might be an effective treatment strategy for these aggressive forms of skin cancer. The study involved a 34-year-old woman who had recurrent cSCC on her forehead despite multiple treatments.